Hi team, I'm Ganesh Gurudu. I'm a senior DevOps cum SRE engineer, and I have spent years on troubleshooting production issues and providing on-call production support in the live environment. Every on-call engineer knows the moment when P1, P2 incident alert fires, and we have to navigate a different system, and we have to open, 5 to 6 tabs in a browser from the different sources and try to work on what actually broke. And tracking every event by hand and creating RCA at the end, that will be very much complex. So I for OpenAI Build Week, I'm built an operational Copilot, which I called it like OpsPilot Command Center, a conversational AI Copilot for incident response. Everything you will see in this demo is like a real cluster. It's a real, I mean, Kubernetes cluster and Prometheus, which is running on my local laptop, all the services and everything. So let me break something. This will actually inject a failure into the checkpoint service. It's kind of a bad change, that will page you at the night as a P1 incident. So this is a kind of real P1 incident. So here you can see the checkout will be failing soon. The error will climb up slowly. And on the screen, you also see the error ratio, workload health, incident life cycle in the left side, and also the cluster events on the right side, all the cluster events and the deployment history with respect to that particular deployment. These are all from the live. So all of them are going up. I mean, the issues are going up. To resolve this issue, I wanted like instead of digging through the logs, I just ask GPT-6 to read the evidences and it should come back with the root cause analysis. And also this is like we can ask for the follow-up questions and asking for what actually, anything from, real-time scenarios. So this will come up with actual suggestions like, OpsPilot, which will actually recommend restoring the checkpoint config. Dry run, which actually shows the what changes to be done. And this is like human in the loop, the what actual the plan, we have to approve it. The plan which is created like changing from mode or to true to false. And the fix is applied and it watches for the real number until the error stay down. It is not like, immediately, confirm. It will go and verify each and every numbers, like number of transactions are coming, down, the issues are coming down. Once issue is resolved, it will create an RCA and yeah, issues resolved and it will create an RCA. The RCA is basically an audit trail. It's like what happened, evidences, actions, and the proof it worked, actually. And I built this Copilot in a week. I used Codex as my implementation partner, the most of my backend and safety gates and test and everything, which is run by Copilot. I explained everything in the GitHub README page. The idea is like let the AI do the digging and keep the engineer in command. Thank you, everyone.